loves, welcome back to my channel. So I am excited to show you guys the spread. This week of February was really special for us because it was Liam's baptism that weekend and we just had so much fun. So yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys all the photos and how I did this entire spread. So like usual, I'm starting off with the washi tape. This one that I'm using is from Planner Society. I just really love the greens in it, and it kind of goes with the theme of Liam's baptism from that weekend. So yeah, that's why I decided to use it. I think it's beautiful. So I'm doing that on both sides of the spread, and then we're just gonna go into the stickers and everything like that, like usual. So yeah, I already have my photos printed and cut. And here I am just kind of arranging how I'm going to place all the photos. I have a ton of photos for Sunday because that was the event. So I decided to do Saturday and Sunday into one because I just have so many pictures. It's not going to fit in just one column. So I decided to do it on two, if you know what I mean. So anyways, this is the sticker book that I'm using. It's the one I used in the past week. I just really want to use it up. So I decided to do this kind of theme going on just with the florals and everything, kind of like lighter colors. And yeah, I'm pulling out all the stickers that I want to use, and then here we go. I'm just gonna go right into it, placing the stickers on the days, and then of course the photos. Like usual, I am leaving white spaces on each day just so I can write a little bit about that day to remember things. But yeah, I really love these stickers, by the way. It's from the Happy Planner. It's just so good. I love the quotes on this. It's the themed one. So there's like 4 sheets and it gives you an amazing amount of stickers to create like a theme for a spread. So I just love it. I'm like trying to use it all up. So yeah. Anyways, oh my goodness, this week just thinking about it was amazing. We got to see family and friends because of Liam's baptism, and it was just so fun. Lots of good food and just lots of love and happy, good vibes, you know? So yeah. Also, it was Valentine's Day that week too, so that was great. Tom actually surprised Liam and I by coming home early. I think he took like a half day that day, so he was home from lunch and he came home with so many good stuff, you guys. Like, I didn't ask for anything, but he came home with a cheesecake, some strawberries, some chocolates, and I think there was like some angel cake and just lots of good stuff that I love, like dessert wise, and it was just amazing. And then Tom and I both got Liam toys, and they came in that day too. So Liam got something for Valentine's Day too. He discovered Tom's Xbox controller, and he just loves it. And he also always steals mine and Tom's phones. So we decided to get him a controller like for kids, and also like a little phone for kids. It's just like the cutest things, and he loves them. They're really loud toys, but keeps him occupied, and he just loves it, you guys. Like the songs on there, he like dances to it, and he's just so cute. I love it. Also this week was his 6 months on the 13th, so I have that column right there that I'm decorating right now, putting like 6 months and like kind of writing down like, you know, his milestones and stuff like that. I can't believe he's 6 months old, you guys. Actually, next week he's gonna be 7 months old. So it's just crazy. It's going by way too fast. It's insane. This is probably gonna sound crazy to you guys, but I'm already planning his first birthday. Like, I think we have a theme already, so I'm just like kind of planning it out, like trying to figure out like what decor we want to get, where we're gonna have it, when it's gonna be. It's just like so crazy, and I know it's like what 5 months from now, but you know, it just goes by too fast. And I know summer is gonna be like a crazy you know, crazy time with a lot of things going on. So I'm like, I'm just gonna start planning now and just kind of like slowly start getting things. So anyways, if you have any first birthday theme suggestions, let me know in the comments below. I think I already have one, but we're not sure yet. So yeah, if you have any ideas though that you want to share, let me know. But anyways, here I am. I'm just decorating some more. I was gonna do like a whole different thing for Valentine's Day here, but yeah, as you can see here, I'm like moving photos around because I kind of messed up because I need it to fit in just one column. And then I'm gonna put, since I only have like one photo for Friday and one photo for Saturday, I decided to put both of that on the Friday column, so I can put all the photos from Sunday on the Saturday and Sunday column, if that makes sense. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do here, just trying to make it all fit, but I also want it to make sense, if you know what I mean. And like I want to have space for like, you know, writing things in too. Anyways, I got this right here. It's a sticker book called Faith. I don't know if it's discontinued, but I purchased it when it was on clearance at Michael's a while back, and I knew I wanted to use it for this weekend. And I also do use it for like just normal days because it has a lot of functional stickers in it. It's really great, you guys. But yeah, I decided to use a few stickers from there. And then this one's Mombi stickers too. It's like the Happy Planner brand too. But that was like a boys theme stickers, and I just have like, you know, cute things from there. So yeah, here I am just like trying to fit all of these photos in these two columns. Was really hard, but I tried. Like I made it work, and I think it looks great at the end. You can see like I messed up a few times. I like move things around so many times, even the stickers. You'll see me like taking it on and off, just trying to make it work. But yeah, I can't believe he's already gonna be 7 months old next week. It's just crazy, you guys. But I don't know what else to talk about. Are any of you guys moms that are watching this? Let me know down below, and also let me know if you do memory keeping as well, or any type of scrapbooking, because it's kind of like scrapbooking, you know. Yeah, let me know, and why you do it, why you don't do it if you don't do it, because I know a lot of people don't have a lot of time, and this can be pretty time consuming. I think I mentioned it before, but I do this every Monday, and I just find a time. Like I don't do it every Monday. I probably do it like every other Monday or something like that. So at like one time I do 2 spreads at one time, you know what I mean? But I do it during the time that Liam is either napping, or if he's on his bouncer and he's like totally content, then I'll do it. It takes me about 30 minutes to do one spread. 20 to 30 minutes, 30 minutes max. Like it does not take me any longer than that. Sometimes it doesn't even take me like 20 minutes. Like I do it really quickly if I'm not filming, but if I'm filming, it's like 30 minutes max, which I think is not too terrible, you know. That's like a nap time, or like I said, when he's playing on his bouncer and he doesn't need me, then that's when I do this. But yeah, I don't do it like every week. It's like every other week I do 1 or 2 spreads a day, if that makes sense. So yeah, I think that's about it. I don't know what else to talk about, but like usual, you guys, I will have everything listed and linked for you down below in the description box. Also, I do have an Instagram highlight story where you can see a lot of my different spreads. I know I only filmed I think this is my 3rd memory keeping video, 3rd or 4th, I'm not sure, but I have other spreads that I have taken photos of, and it's on my Instagram highlight, so I'll link that below, and you can check it out, and maybe that'll help you get more inspiration and how to decorate yours and whatnot. So definitely check that out, you guys. Also, I will be doing a giveaway for you guys. I will do it on Instagram though. It's just like the easiest thing to do. So I will have all the details down below in the description box, and you can just click the link and it will bring you to Instagram. And on that post, you can enter. I don't have the items here right now because I want to buy it once I chose the winner and have it shipped directly to them. It's just the easiest way because planners are very heavy and big. So yeah, the winner will win a memory keeping planner and also some goodies to go with it, of course. So if you're interested in that, then leave a comment or check out on how to enter down below. So that is it. This is what my spread looks like. I think it turned out really great. Let me know your thoughts. I love this spread. It's just very special to me. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out the giveaway below, and I will see y'all soon in my next video. Bye!